Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the cell that will hold the logarithm and ensuring your input value is greater than 0. Excel cannot compute logs for 0 or negatives. Once done, decide the base you need. Base 10 for common logs, base E for natural logs, or any other positive base. Make sure your input sits in a reference cell like A2. Then type equals log A2, base or equals ln A2 for natural logs and press enter to compute the result immediately. Now you implement log with cell references so your sheet updates dynamically. For a custom base, enter equals log A2 B2, where A2 is the number and B2 is the base. This keeps formulas flexible and easy to copy. If you need natural logarithms, use equals ln A2. Once the formula is in place, drag the fill handle to apply it to ranges, and make sure to lock references with $. If copying across rows or columns, to preserve the intended base or input. Finish by validating outputs and formatting results for readability. Set number format and choose decimals. If you see #num or hash value errors, make sure inputs are numeric and greater than 0. Non-positive values cause failures. To prevent disruptions, wrap log in an if or IFER, for example if A20 log A2B2 invalid. Finally, recheck locked references and recalculate the sheet. If something still fails, verify the base is positive and not equal to 1. That will break the logarithm definition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.